SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person in this space with 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. With this in particular, 10% up is not small, but the idea that I have here is just going to shift by another block. Now, the biggest part here is going to be, I'm actually going to get rid of this. I would go with this long side just short term, because why not? You know, why not milk it up if it actually makes sense? And that making sense part is going to be if my rules are met here. You know what I mean? If this is not met, then, oh my bad, I forgot to kind of show you, but if this thing is not met, like how is this looks like from the store chart is like that. And all I'm looking to do is just kind of double down on this, but only in a way where it gives me the rules here in the lower time frame, and there is a double break confirmation. If that's not the case, I'm not buying, because SBET, I've gotten quite a lot of receipts in the Discord with 15 results, but like randomly buying here will just not be happening. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime, waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned with SBET and get free emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.